Alrighty, now let's take a look at question number 5. In this question, we're going to be solving an equation that has fractions and decimals in it. Alright, so the question reads, it says, what is the solution to the equation 3 over 5 times x plus 4 thirds equals 1.04? Okay, so let's write that down. 3 over 5 times x plus 4 over 3 equals 1.04. Now, we can use a calculator for this one, okay? So calculators are allowed. Let's go ahead and start by clearing out this 3/5 right here. Okay, there are two ways you can do it. You can distribute and then isolate x, or you can eliminate this annoying fractional coefficient here first and then attack this one next. Alright, so that will save you a distribution step. You always want to take the fewest possible steps because it reduces the odds of you making mistakes. Okay? Alright, so fastest way is to eliminate 3 over 5 on the left and then eliminate the 4 thirds. When x is isolated, we have the solution. Okay? So the question is, how do you undo multiplication by 3 over 5? You undo multiplication by 3 over 5 by dividing by 3 over 5. Okay, so you divide by 3 over 5 and you divide by 3 over 5. Alright, but that looks like a mess. There is a more elegant way to divide by fractions. If you're dividing by fractions, is equivalent to multiplying by the reciprocal of that fraction. Drop, change, flip, right? So instead of dividing by 3 over 5, I can multiply by the reciprocal of 3 over 5, which is 5 thirds. So multiply by 5 thirds and multiply by 5 thirds. This is easier to look at, okay, as opposed to the weird expression that we had earlier. Now let's simplify this. This 5 divides with this 5, and then this 3 divides with this 3. On the left side, notice we've gotten rid of one of the annoying fractions, and we are left with x plus 4 thirds. Now, on the right side, we are multiplying a decimal with a fraction. So this is where we're going to employ the use of our calculators. 1.04 times 5 over 3. And your answer is going to be 1.73 repeating. Alright, so let's write that down, 1.73 repeating. Last step, we want to isolate x, so we need to get rid of plus 4 thirds. So we're going to use the inverse operation. The inverse of adding 4 thirds is to subtract 4 thirds from both sides of our equation. Okay, so plus 4 thirds minus 4 thirds add up to 0. On the left side, we are left with x equals. Now on the right side, we are adding this two numbers, actually subtracting. So we already have the numbers saved here. Okay, all you do is just press minus, and it automatically populates the left side of this operation with the previous answer, 1.7333 repeating. That's what this answer means. It pulls in the previous answer minus the minus what we're trying to subtract, which is 4 thirds. Final result is 0.4. Okay, 0.4 is the answer. The answer to question number 5 is option number 2. So this is just a nice example showing how you can solve equations involving fractions and decimals with the help of a calculator. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this presentation. We'd like to know what you think. If you found the contents of this tutorial helpful in your preparation for the upcoming Regents exam, do give us a thumbs up. Your positive feedback is very valuable to us. If you have any questions, comments, or special requests for questions in algebra or any math course, just place it in the comment section below, and we'll be more than glad to respond. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the remainder of this review series. More support resources can be found at our website, mathgotserved.com. Do check it out under the Regents page. Thanks again for watching and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.